What's going on, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are fantastic. Back again, making more stuff. Anyways, if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, got the shackle flip done, gave us a little bit of lift. We need a little bit more. We got some more on the way, so don't worry, it's not staying like this. It's also not this tall. I have it jacked up right now because I have everything about off of it again. You know, I said I was remaking that drag link or panhard bar, whatever you want to call it. I have made the steering bar. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna stay with this color. I don't know if I'm gonna paint all the bars orange to match the back, or if it's gonna be too much. But anyways, we have the angled tie rod here. I'm not done painting it either, but as you can see, it's we got everything welded in, taken care of. So now I'm working on this drag link bar real quick before I'm actually redoing the brackets right now, and something I really didn't want to do, but I have one done, working on drilling the 1-inch hole for the other one. They're going to be welded in the same exact spot, except they're going to be up a little bit higher, so that way we have a better angle on the bar. And once that angle is good, the front's done. I'm going to finish welding up the tubes. Like I said, I welded up the tie rod. I have to just finish the welds on the, like, I guess the actual drag link for the steering. That's all set. And then after that, front end should be wrapped up for the most part. Just paint it afterwards. I'm gonna still keep taking I'm gonna take all this back apart. I'm gonna re-weld some of this stuff, go over it again, like strengthen this, weld the insides up in the cracks, and then actually set everything and adjust it how it's got to be. So I'm gonna do all that before I put the weight back on the axle. I figured out my brake line issue, and I have the rear lift on the way. What else? Yeah, I don't know. We got lots to do, but yeah, we're gonna keep going. I haven't picked up my camera all day. I've just kind of been hammering stuff out, so just getting you guys caught up on everything we're doing here. It's gonna take me a little while. Once this is drilled, mock it up with the bolt, and then weld them on, and that should do it. So I'm gonna get back to drilling. I'll talk to you guys in a few. Alright, it's not like cleaned up yet. I'm letting the stuff cool so I can beat the slag off of it. But we have the tower, and I don't think it's going nowhere. So everything should be solid. And then yeah, we just need to put the drag link back in, which it's not too hot. I can probably get it out. Drag link back in and adjusted. Move the axle over. Weld the steering bar. Put it on, and we should be able to mount up everything steering wise. So where I'm at, making progress. This should be the last thing that I have to weld onto an axle or a truck or anything. I'm gonna re-weld the back there, like I said, but I'm done making brackets and stuff. So, oh well. Should be good, should be solid, and then just need to clean up the rest of this. Yeah, I might just keep working on things for today. Probably get this video up tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe have it rolling. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But anyways, gonna get back to work. Got lots to do. So, well, to be completely honest, I don't know where I left off yesterday, but with an update here. Everything's just about done. I obviously painted some stuff, just roughly, but I had to remake the panhard bar, the top one, like 3 times, and I accidentally cut a bung in half, so I need to order another one if I want to use those heim joints. But other than that, everything's kind of buttoned up. I gotta adjust the steering still. It's gonna be a little bit off now. I was trying to get the wheel straight, but because the drag link bar pushed the axle too far this way, extended the tie rod or the drag link. The panhard bar is too hard this way. The drag link need to be extended and all that mumbo jumbo. So anyways, gonna get that stuff straightened out. I want to clean up, well, want to weld the back plates a little, like just weld them up on the insides, and then basically we're done for the front, and then it's on to transmission stuff today. Today's not gonna be a super long work video. I gotta go help my buddy move. So for now, we're just gonna wrap up the front end as much as we can. Maybe start tightening all the bolts up, get ready to drive. Maybe move the truck, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, nothing's on fire. Might have cut a little too far. Maybe not enough. Quick update. We moved the truck. So it was sitting over there. So it does roll. So it kind of looks... here, hold on. Let's open that. Alright, oh shoot. So the truck kind of looks like cockeyed. I was wondering why. And I was thinking, maybe it's my brackets, because you know, I'm no fabricator. But, come to find out, this adjustment on this coilover is actually lower. So see, there's thread sticking up. This side, it's all the way down. So we need to fix that. And as you can see, I just chopped a giant hole in my floor. Chevy has these nice perforated cutouts already for where things need to go. And they actually already have a little, I cut way too far on that one side. I don't know if that's gonna break off, but anywho, up here for the, you're not gonna be able to see it on this side. For the master cylinder for the clutch, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Where is it? It's right there. See that little dot right there? That is for the guide for the hole saw for when you go to drill a hole. So everything solid axle swap's about wrapped up. Got a few more things to take care of. This video is kind of getting long, so I'm gonna end it there with me cutting the hole in my floor because that's probably the last thing I'm gonna do for today. And but basically that means that we're getting into the solid axle swap. That's what I just did. We're getting into the ZF6 swap. So I need to work on the cross member, put the trans back together for now, get a clutch. Clutch is about $2 grand for what I need, so kind of, you know, a little bit of money. So anywho, we're gonna get that ordered. We're gonna get everything kind of rolling on this, clean everything up, do the brakes, all that good stuff. So thank you guys as always for tuning in. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. You know, stay with the builds. We're almost done. We're almost done with it, and then we're gonna drive it. And the back still needs to get lifted. The rest, that should be here Wednesday. Have to get the drive shaft made, and the truck's not on fire yet. So far so good. Yeah, we're just gonna keep plugging along for now. Just get all this. Just keep going, keep going. Thanks, guys. I'm out for today. I'll catch you guys in the next few days with another update with some more work. And then hopefully, like 3 weeks maybe, we'll drive it. I think that's fair. So don't forget, if you're in the California, NorCal area, or if you are somewhere in between and you want to get up, see the truck, whatever, October 13th, Truck Mania. That's gonna do it, guys. I'm out. I'll stop rambling. I'll see you guys later.